Okay, so here we are inside the Amiga 2000. Sorry, 2000 HD. I have my, seems to be a hair across there. I have my Weller soldering iron in my hand. I have pushed the button in, and now I'm waiting for it to heat up. There does seem to be, oh no, oh no, 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 no. Hang on you. Okay. Right. I am putting my finger back onto the trigger. I want to have this heated up really well so that when I apply it, it very, 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 very quickly loosens up the solder and lets me, I really don't want to have this thing on the board very long. So I'm taking a little bit of solder. Okay. So we have some smoke, but it's not overwhelming smoke. One of the things sometimes I find that happens is these things are, the implements or the irons here are connected at the end, and sometimes you got to give that a little twist because maybe it's not making the bestest connection. Let's try that again. Okay, we still have smoke. We do. So, I have my little wee screwdriver. I'm going to put it in position, and I'm going to introduce the iron. And I really don't want to do any damage here, but I want to get that where I can get it off. Okay. Woohoo! That's one side. Oh, well, I think the phone has moved, but I don't know when it moved. Okay, so there you can see that the battery is half out. And you know what, now that I think of it, I'm not sure I can get it the other side from this location. So, we'll stop this. We'll stop this.